Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to cancel subscriptions on Spotify. First of all, you can open any browser. I can open Chrome. After opening the browser, you can just simply tap on search. And here you can search spotify.login. I can already search, so I can now tap on this. After this, you can just simply tap on the first link. After tapping on the first link, you can just simply tap on account overview, and after this you can just simply tap on manage your subscriptions in the account section. Tap on it, and here you can see your subscriptions. Here you can cancel your subscription. Here you cannot see any subscription in my interface because I cannot buy any subscription on Spotify. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.